Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone camera not working or black screen issue. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have: force quiet and restart the camera app. The easiest way to fix an iPhone showing a black screen camera or not working is to close and the reopen camera app. This will reset any pleasable glitch, resolving the issue in turn on. So then you have, while using the camera app is not working or black screen issue, so you have turn click on home button, then you have removed the camera app, so then you have restart, reopen the camera app is working. Then second solution is restart the iPhone. If restarting the camera app did not stop your iPhone from showing black screen or not working, resetting your iPhone altogether might help solve the problem. To force restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Third solution you have: update iOS. Maybe an unfortunate bug in iOS is making the iPhone camera go black and not working. Thankfully, Apple proactively tracks and resolves such issues with the upcoming that all you need to do is check if an update is available and then download it on your iPhone. Then fourth solution: disable low power mode. Auto and Apple, when your iPhone battery hits 20% or less, low power mode temporarily disabled lots of background features, and while the flashlight is on the list, the camera is not. Although glitches could happen, the camera screen may turn black or not working on your iPhone when the battery is too low or low power mode is enabled. In such scenarios, disable low power mode. Open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on battery, click on turn off low power mode from here. The last solution you have: reset or setting. Although a strength step is, if nothing else is working in your favor, it is the last resort. All alongside raising and restoring or setting, it will eradicate the bug or glitch causing the black screen or not working on iPhone camera. Click on setting, click on general, again scroll up, then you have click on transfer reset, then you have click on reset or setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.